In modern manufacturing, every process, tool, and worker depends on a foundation strong enough to keep production moving. From the factory floor to the control room, the network powers safer, smarter, more efficient operations. With our technology partners, HPE networking goes beyond connectivity, enabling secure systems, real-time insight, and performance that drives results. On the factory floor, resilience keeps operations running. A stable network connects operational technology, information technology, and partner solutions without interruption. Built-in security continuously monitors activity, isolating threats before they impact production. Manufacturing runs on security. Real-time visibility keeps materials and workflows on track. Sensors, tags, and connected devices provide precise location data for tools, assets, and inventory. With better insights into movement and flow, teams reduce delays and keep production aligned. Manufacturing runs on visibility. Connected access control secures critical areas while allowing teams to move efficiently. Occupancy insights support safer environments, and connected wearables provide instant alerts when it matters most. Manufacturing runs on safety. Data becomes action through predictive analytics. Maintenance issues are identified early, reducing downtime and extending equipment life. At the same time, smart energy systems optimize environments while lowering operational costs. Manufacturing runs on intelligence. Across every line and every shift, HPE networking and its partners enable safer, more efficient, and more resilient operations. Less downtime, greater visibility, smarter decisions, stronger output. Manufacturing runs on HPE networking.